Good morning, children. Today we will take a quick revision of 2D shapes that we have learned in junior KG. Today we will talk about 4 shapes that we have learned in junior KG. They are square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Now come to the shape square. Now you know how many sides a square does have. Square has 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. Let's check whether this square has 4 sides or not. I will take my brush and I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this square also has 4 sides and all sides are equal. It means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. It means all sides are equal. Now what we will do? Now we will go to next shape, that is rectangle. Now you will ask me, ma'am, square has 4 sides and rectangle is also having 4 sides, right? When we will count, we will see rectangle is also having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the difference between square and rectangle? Remember, in junior KG we have learned that square and rectangle, these two shapes has 4 sides, but all sides of squares are equal, whereas the opposite sides of rectangles are equal. Means if I will take different color, then it will be easy to understand. These two sides are equal. Similarly, these two sides are equal. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but opposite side means this. If I keep my finger this way, these two fingers are opposite. They are standing opposite to each other. So these two lines are opposite and they are equal in rectangle. Similarly, these two lines are opposite and equal. This is the difference between rectangle and square. Now, after discussing all shapes, when we will see the objects related to square, rectangle, then it will be very easy for you to understand. So, let's see the objects of square related to square and rectangle. For that, I have to slide my screen. So first we have discussed square. So let's see some objects which are related to squares which we can see around us. First of all, ice cube. I will take my brush and I will tick one by one objects. Ice cube. If you have you seen ice cube? When we hold it like that, it looks like square, right? Bread. When we bought bread, it is square shape. Before making the sandwich, it is square shape. It has 4 sides. All sides are equal. Now can you tell me what is this? Blackboard. Yes, blackboard. We use this blackboard in school, and nowadays we are missing this blackboard a lot. It is a square shape. Now come to window. Everyone has window at their place. Just see window. Some window are square. Yes. Now come to carom board. Carom board is, I think everyone knows what is carom. It's a board game, right? Its board is square shape. And those are not aware, kindly ask Mama. She will show you carom board, and when you see the carom board, you will see it has 4 sides and all sides are equal. Now come to window. I said some windows are square. Why? Because all windows are four sides. But in some houses windows are square, means all four sides are equal. But in some houses windows has four sides but all sides are not equal. Their opposite sides are equal, means they are, tell me what they are. They are rectangle. Yes. So sometimes windows are also rectangle. So just now I have told you rectangle has four sides and opposite sides are equal. Now let's see what are the objects around us which are rectangle shape. Let's see. First, mobile phone. Everyone has seen mobile phone. Nowadays we are attending class also using mobile phone, tab. These are also rectangular shape, rectangle shape. Now come to TV. Everyone has TV at their place. Just after watching this video, go and check. You will see your TV is a rectangle shape. It has four sides, but all sides are not equal. Only the opposite sides are equal. Now come to biscuit. Yes, you will say, ma'am, some biscuits are round, circle. Yes, but some biscuits are rectangle shapes. Now, whenever mama will give you biscuit, first check what is the shape. Is it square, rectangle or other shapes? Okay. Now come to money. You can ask mama to show you a note, rupees, money, paper money. When mama will show, you should not play with money. So ask mama to show you. If when she will show it, you will see it is rectangle. It is rectangle in shape. It has four sides, but opposite sides are equal. Okay, now come to the next object, that is chocolate. Yes, when a chocolate bar you receive, it is maybe it is 5-star, Kit Kat, Dairy Milk. If you see the shape, if you observe the shape, it is rectangle. It has four sides but all sides are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal. Now children, we have discussed two shapes, right? Rectangle and square. Those have four sides and those objects we have observed. Now we will discuss about triangle. Now what is the difference between triangle and rectangle and square? Rectangle and square has four sides and triangle has three sides. How many sides? Three sides. Let's count how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Triangle has three sides. Triangle is only such a shape who has three sides. There are no such shape who has three sides. Only triangle has three sides. Now let's check which are the objects we are having in triangle shape. Now look here. Can you see there are so many triangle shape objects? Let's take my brush. First of all, this birthday decoration. We always put this kind of birthday decoration. Can you see small triangles are there? Now come to birthday cap. Yes. Now one more thing that we love to eat in a birthday party, sandwich, is triangle shape. Now see, when we bought a bread, it is rectangular shape. After making sandwich, mama cut it in triangular shape. Okay. And sometimes in market we will get triangular shaped bread also. So whenever nowadays we don't go in the shop. So whenever mummy papa will buy bread and bring it at home, just check whether it is square shaped bread or it is triangle shaped bread. And when mama will make sandwich, ask mama, have you make it triangle or it was a triangle shaped bread? Understood? Because triangle has three sides. So if your bread is triangle shape, then your sandwich will have three sides. If your bread is bread is square, then your bread will have four sides. Normally we make sandwich of shape triangle, isn't it, children? So sandwich is a example, is a thing which is in triangle shape, and which we can see around us. Now one more thing that is a favorite of you, this nachos. It is in triangular shape. So next time when you will have, just observe the shape of the nachos, and it has 3 sides. Now come to ice cream cone. Yes, when we have cornetto, yes, some cone ice cream. Have you seen? There's a triangular shaped cone, and on that the person used to put the ice cream vendor put scoop of ice cream, cone shape. That this is triangle. This cone is triangle. It has 3 sides. Now come to cheese. We all love cheese. Cheese is also in triangular shape. Yes, we get cheese cube also, I know, but it is not like triangular shape. But if we go to market nowadays, I am not able to go, you will see there's a big shape, triangular shape cheese, and they will cut and give you. Nowadays we don't go market, so it's not possible to see. Now come to mountain. Yes, children, have you seen mountain? Yes, mountain is always a triangular shape. Yes, always mountain shape is triangular. Yes, it may be a big triangle, because a big mountain has a big triangle, a small mountain has small triangle. Now you see, there are so many things around us which are triangular shape. Now it will come to the next shape which has no side. Yes, it is circle. Circle is the only shape which has no side. See, square and rectangular has 4 sides. Triangular has 3 sides, and circle has no side. Yes, there are so many things around us, the circle. First of all, that one rhyme we have learned. याद है? मम्मी की बिंदी गोल है, दादाजी का चश्मा गोल है, चंदा मामा गोल है. Yes, moon, that bindi, and roti, chapati. We have in our lunch, dinner, that is also circle shape. Circle means goal, which has no side. Now let's see what are the objects we have related to circle around us. First of all, one object is very favorite to you, that is pizza. Pizza is always in a circle shape, and when we cut pizza, it becomes triangular shape. It's same like bread. See, when we bought a bread, we buy a bread, it is a square shape. When we make a sandwich, we cut it in triangle. Similarly, when we buy a pizza, when we make a pizza, it is a circle shape, circle. But when we serve it, we cut it in triangle. Okay. Now next come to moon. Yes. Sun. These are circle. You have seen. Now coin. I have told you notes. Money is rectangular shape, but when it come to coin, that metal one, circle. Okay. You can ask mama to show you coin. Now some candies are also circle. Any ball, when we draw a circle, and then we draw the ball. Now children, why I have told you this? Because you have already know. Because after we will now learn new shapes based on these 3 shapes. Today in junior KG you have learned square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Today we take a revision of that. Just go through the video, and then in next video I will teach you something new shapes related to these shapes. Okay children, and till then, bye, take care.